everyone, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so this is a quick call and quick announcement. I have shared this particular program, I think last week. It's going to take place on Wednesday, and I want to really emphasize on the importance of this. Okay, if you're aged 15 to 25 years, especially from at least 19, 20, 25, you're in school, it's for you. Now, in life, yes, academic is an aspect. There's a whole, when you are done with academics, the world itself is another university where you don't go to school for. So, this is the school for how to survive in the world. You need to know yourself, okay? Everyone struggled with this. Thank God for my life. I met people that were able to direct me. I met good friends, good mentors that were able to tell me when I entered into university, that were able to, direct me and help me analyze myself, know my strengths, set goals for my life. Not, yes, the academic goals, but after school, what next? That it's like it's a whole big, in fact, it's another level of jam question or Cambridge or A level question. When you are done with school, what next? Is it just, employment? What next after employment? You have family, you have to, get married, raise a family, you need knowledge of these things. And it all starts from your discovery of who you are, knowing how to set goals, knowing how to stay focused on it and achieve it. That is what this seminar is going to really teach you. It's going to really, discuss about and enlighten you about. Okay, JAM is coming soon. Knowing how to set your goals, vision. You get my point? Knowing so many things. Okay, it all starts from you knowing yourself, not being pushed by your friends, your peer pressure, because your friend is doing this, you want to do this. No. Once you fall into that, I tell you, you see, that's why some people miss it in life. Okay, because peer pressure, pushes them here, left, right, center, corner, and all that. So please, I implore you to please take advantage of this seminar by DTW Foundation. Apart from empowering you academically, mentally, socially, we are also here to empower you. Please register. There's a WhatsApp group. I'll leave the link to the WhatsApp group. You can join also, to be informed about the seminar and the webinar. And even after the webinar, there will be some things you can connect with mentors, connect with me. You have some things that you want to talk about, you can, connect with us. Okay? Please share this with your friends, all right, to attend to. Very important. A journey of what? Self-discovery, knowing yourself, setting your goals, staying focused. And, I saw a youth today, and I told her that if I was told that life is hard work when I was young, I should have done more. I never knew what life is hard work. To make money is hard work. That's when you appreciate your parents. You are under your parents' roof now, eating food. They are the ones carrying all the whole weight, the pressure, the tension. Your father is carrying it, your mother is carrying it. Ha. It will soon be your turn, no? So prepare yourself well so you don't struggle too much. Start early. I say, if someone would have told me this, I would have started early. I would have done so many things before getting married, before entering motherhood, another different level as a parent. You get my point. So please, life is hard work, and come, it's serious hard work. If you want to make it in life, it's hard work. Even if you want to use illegal means, look at it now. You say you want to do Yahoo, you will go and do sacrifice. You will do so many things. Something must give, something must pay. You say you want to do big runs, your body will pay. Something must pay. So also is success. If you want to achieve something legally, you also have to work hard. And when you have Christ also, it makes the working hard, better. It favors you, but you still have to work hard. Faith without works is dead. Are you getting me? You still have to work hard. So working hard, you can't eliminate it from this world. It's only when we get to heaven. Are you with me? So to navigate your way, you need to discover your true self. So please join us on Wednesday. I beg you, and share with your friends. Thank you. And finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Give your life to Christ, for you are destined to win.